Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's look is a full glam tutorial, a pink full glam with some gems and a graphic eyeliner, and I'll be happy to show you how I did this lovely look. So stay with me and enjoy this video. Don't forget to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lovely looks like this. You can follow me on Instagram and add me on Facebook. I will start with the foundation. I already put my primer on my face and I'm using the Sheglam Long Lasting Breathable Foundation, matte foundation. I just put the foundation and I start doing my eyebrows. I'm brushing them with my spoolie brush and I'm applying my eyebrow gel. If you watch my videos, you already know which products I'm using. My eyebrows look way more nicer and way more natural if I only put my eyebrow gel and I fill in the gaps with a little bit of my eyebrow pencil. My makeup look today is going to be a nice pink cut crease. First, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer for eyeshadow base because it's light. It's almost white, but this is the best way for your eyeshadows to look brighter and more vibrant. You know that I can't live without my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use my Morphe palette again. I'm using the color Sweet Beats. Oops. I'm using this color here. It's called Sweet Beats. I want to be very precise, that's why I'm using my smudge brush to apply the color here and to make a good, nice cut crease. Now I'm drawing two lines on my eyelid, an upper line and a bottom line. I'm using one more for a transitioning color. It's called FOTD, Fault. It's this one. To be honest, I'm doing this makeup look for the first time. However, I was happy how it actually came out. With a small blending brush, I'm gonna blend both of the colors. And with this tiny brush, I'm gonna apply the same color FOTD on my eyelid. Not on the whole eyelid, but here where I usually apply my eyeliner. Because as I said, it's gonna be a cut crease. And with another small brush, it's a flat small brush, I'm gonna apply the concealer and cut the crease precisely. With the same smudge brush, I'm gonna put soft brown color here on the outer corner. And again, blend it out carefully with my small blending brush. The brown eyeshadow is blended out, and now it's time to put a little bit of shimmering eyeshadow here in the middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna use my favorite eyeshadow color in the whole palette, which is Bossy AF. It's a pink shimmering one. It's this one here. I'm gonna put just a little bit of highlighting shade in my inner corner to highlight the look. With a smudge brush, I'm gonna smudge the same colors I used for my crease on the lower lash. I'm gonna put my eyeliner on the half eyelid. I'm gonna use this silver eyeliner for the inner part. And I'm gonna finish with a black one, ending somewhere here in the inner corner, pointing my nose. Now with the dotting pen, I'm gonna put some gems on my eye crease. I'm using my lash glue to place the gems on my eye crease. I'm using my dual eyelash glue. With the same dotting pen, I'm adding the gems. Okay, I just finished with the eyeshadows and the decorations on my left eye. It was a long process, but now I have to do my right one. So I'll be back when I finish with it and I'll show you how I'm gonna finish the look. I'm done with the other eye and now I'm gonna curl my lashes, put my mascara and put my falsies. The most difficult thing in the look today was the eyeliner. I've never done graphic eyeliner. This was the first time. Maybe that's why I find it so difficult. I curled my lashes. I'm gonna put my High Sky mascara. Today I'm with my Ardell lashes. I like these lashes and I'm in love with this look so far. Let's finish it with contouring and highlighter. And of course my lipstick. I'm using my cream contour stick from Barry. I did the contouring, I put concealer on the under eye area, I blended it out. Now I'm gonna apply my blush. A tiny bit of powder on the under eye area. And a bit of highlighter on the nose tip and about the cheekbones. I'm in a creative mood today, so I'm gonna put this matte lipstick from Primark combined with a nude shade in the middle of my mouth, and on top I'm gonna put this gloss. First I'm gonna contour my mouth. I just put the pink lipstick and now I'm gonna put the nude one in the middle. This helps me create the illusion for bigger lips. I'll put gloss on top. Gems and lip gloss is the best combo ever. And this, guys, was the look for today. I enjoyed doing this lovely pink look full glam tutorial today. I hope it will inspire you and give you some spring vibes. Thank you so much for watching and spending the afternoon with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you next Tuesday.